Shaanxi's engagement with digital human and immersive virtual character technology becomes traceable from May 2017, when Baidu, in partnership with Emperor Qin Huang's mausoleum site museum, Qin Huangdi Ling Bo Wu Yuan, launched the Baidu AI Terracotta Warriors restoration project on International Museum Day at the museum site in Xi'an. Using augmented reality through the Baidu mobile application, visitors could scan trigger objects at Pit 2, the kneeling archer figurine, and the bronze chariots to view digitally color restored three-dimensional renderings of the warrior figures as they appeared in their original painted state. While a simultaneously released 20 billion pixel ultra-high-definition digital museum went online as the first World Heritage Site exhibited at billion-pixel resolution, attracting 60 million online visitors within its first 2 days. That same September, the Franklin Institute in Philadelphia, working with Yetzer Studio and the Pew Center for Arts and Heritage, opened an augmented reality exhibition in the United States that drew on three-dimensional scans of original terracotta warrior statues from the Shaanxi mausoleum, allowing American visitors to view reconstructed forms of 8 original statues through a mobile AR application. An event held abroad but grounded in the digitization of Shaanxi's cultural heritage. The next significant deployment arrived in July 2019, when Emperor Qin Shi Huang's Mausoleum Site Museum and Xi'an Keshikejui Network Technology Company, Xi'an Keshikejui 网络科技有限公司, formally opened the Terracotta Warriors VR Cinema, Bingma Yong VR Yingyuan, at the museum site, coinciding with the museum's 40th anniversary. The immersive VR film was directed by Zhao Xiaodin, a cinematographer with experience on productions by Zhang Yimou, and the partnership underlying the project had begun in 2017. The cinema later received the YPO Global Award for VR Cinema Solution for Cultural Heritage in 2023. The province's transition toward purpose-built digital entertainment environments deepened in June 2021, when Daming Palace National Heritage Park, Daminggong 国家遗址公园, in Xi'an, launched trial operations of its palace performances cultural digital experience center 公立游戏大明宫文化数字体验中心. The facility incorporated a 540-degree immersive holographic pilot theater, a 720-degree holographic main theater screening a film depicting Tang Dynasty court life, and a HoloKids children's holographic theater running interactive virtual character shows, establishing one of Shaanxi's earliest purpose-built holographic entertainment venues. Activity accelerated sharply through 2022. In April 2022, Shaanxi Cultural Investment Group, Shanwen Toujituan, Yongxing Fang Cultural Industry Group, and Yuyue Culture, Yuyue Wenhua opened Chang'an 12 Hours, Chang'an Shi Chen, China's first immersive Tang-style market street based on a television drama IP at Xi'an Kujiang Mandi Plaza. The installation included AI smart dressing mirrors using face recognition to match visitors with Tang Dynasty costume styles in approximately 2 seconds, alongside VR experiences and digital interactive systems, and was subsequently recognized as one of China's first national smart tourism immersive experience new space pilot projects by the Ministry of Culture and Tourism. 2 months later, in June 2022, Xi'an Performing Arts Group, Xi'an Yanyi Jituan, with the virtual character developed by Xi'an Future Shape Interactive Entertainment Co., Xi'an 未来新装互动娱乐有限公司, unveiled Xiaoya, as China's first Xinjiang opera, virtual digital human at the 9th China Xinjiang Opera Arts Festival in Xi'an. Designed as a young female Dan role, Xiaoya appeared in the festival's promotional music video, Chang'an Night, Chang'an Ye, performing a fusion of Xinjiang and rock music alongside Shaanxi musician Wang Jianfang, and the technical ambition of the character was evident in the sculpting of her head ornaments alone, which required over 700,000 polygon faces, compared to a typical 30,000 for an entire character model. In October 2022, Northwest University, Xibei Daxue, and Xi'an Xiangcheng Network Technology Co-Ltd. Xi'an Xiangcheng 网络科技有限公司 officially launched Shaanxi's first metaverse campus in a ceremony at the university's Chang'an campus, held 5 days before the institution's 120th anniversary. The platform, developed over approximately 4 months from a partnership initiated in April 2022, included three-dimensional virtual replicas of all 3 Northwest University campuses, virtual conference halls, a digital collectibles platform, and VR-based teaching and experiment spaces. The following month, in November 2022, the Shenyang High-Tech Zone Management Committee, Shenyang Gaoxing Chuguan Weihui, released its action plan for building a metaverse industry pioneer area, introducing the China Screen Valley, Zhongguo Pinggu, branding concept and specifying digital humans, 3-dimensional holographic visualization, and 5 application scenarios, covering government services, cultural tourism, urban management, innovation, and manufacturing, as development priorities, with a target of digital economy core industries reaching 15% of GDP by 2025. The year 2023 opened with 2 notable character launches in Xi'an. In January 2023, the 8th Route Army Xi'an Office Memorial Hall, Balujun Xi'anban Shichu Jinnianguan, in collaboration with Shaanxi Xinkun, Interactive Culture and Technology Company, Shaanxi Xinkun Hudong Wenhua Keji Youxian Gongsi, deployed China's first 8th Route Army virtual digital person at the memorial, drawing on 5G, VR, and cloud computing to provide guided tour narration, host dialogue sessions, and support live stream services through a self-developed virtual exhibition cloud system. The character was later expanded to an in-person interactive installation at the Visitor Center and applied to the virtual exhibition The Great Woman Helen Foster Snow in China. Also, in January 2023, the Xi'an City Wall Management Committee, Xi'an Chengqiangguan Weihui, released the original CG animation, Grand Tang Group, Fantastical Lantern Festival Night, Shengtang Tian Tuan, or Qi Huan Shang Yuan Ye on Chinese New Year's Day, featuring the virtual digital character Tang Xiaofei, derived from the live performance Dream of Chang'an, Meng Chang'an, Datang Yingbin Shengli, at the Xi'an City Wall, representing one of the earliest cases of a named digital character developed directly from a Shaanxi cultural tourism performance production. In May 2023, the Shaanxi Provincial Cultural Relics Bureau, Shaanxi Shenwen Wuju, officially unveiled 4 heritage virtual recommenders, Wenwu Zhihui Tuijian Guan, at the Museum and Good Life Cultural Night event held at Xi'an Museum. The 4 virtual digital figures, Zhou Li, a courtly official representing the Zhou dynasty, Qin Weiwu, a young general modeled after Terracotta Warrior figurines, Han Yingjun, Yi Yingjun, a scholarly noble, and Tang Mei Li, a fashionable Tang dynasty woman drawn from female tomb figurines and murals, were designed for deployment across holographic displays, interactive screens, and museum education contexts. These characters returned to public view in November 2023 at the 7th Silk Road International Exposition in Xi'an, displayed within holographic capsule chambers to provide interactive heritage recommendations to visitors from across the Silk Road region. July 2023 brought 2 concurrent developments of distinct character. In Xi'an's Chang'an district, the city government, in partnership with Xi'an University of Science and Technology and Xi'an Mingdai Institute of Technology, formally launched Northwest China's first AI digital human live streaming base, a nearly 2,000 square meter facility housing 110 AI digital human live streamers dedicated to agricultural product e-commerce and rural revitalization, combining AIoT, metaverse, and digitalization technologies for urban-rural industry integration. That same month, Yamobi/eClickTech, Yidiantianxia, stock code 301171.SZ, and CN headquartered company that had listed on Chinext in August 2022, globally launched KreadoAI, its AIGC digital marketing creation platform, offering modules covering AI digital humans, AI models, AI tools, and AI creative assets across more than 100 virtual digital human styles, 140 languages, and 400 voice tones. The platform's digital human video workflow reduced production time from approximately 12 hours to between 6 and 8 minutes. Also in July 2023, Xiaoya was featured in Xi'an's exhibition area at Hong Kong's celebration of the 26th anniversary of its return, where a spherical cinema screening introduced the Shaanxi cultural character to Hong Kong audiences, a promotional event held outside the province but centered on Shaanxi's virtual heritage figures. In August 2023, the Xianyang High-Tech Development Zone, working with Shaanxi Dakin Yuanxidai Digital Information Technology Co., 山西大清源时代数字信息技术有限公司 opened its Metaverse Digital Reception Hall, 元宇宙数字会客厅, realizing a core element of the zone's November 2022 planning framework. The hall featured virtual digital service guide 高小新, displayed on naked eye 3D LED screens to provide guided tours and zone development briefings within a facility comprising an immersive exhibition hall, a command and operation center, a smart computing center, and an interactive experience hall. In February 2024, the three-dimensional virtual character Chen Xiaoxiang, serving as digital human guardian of Huashan Scenic Area, and developed by World UTech/4UTech, UKG of Beijing, was deployed in a large-scale Spring Festival campaign titled Huashan New Year Recommender. The character appeared on Xi'an outdoor large screens, across more than 3,000 city bus displays and on metro electronic screens throughout the city, becoming a prominent fixture in the province's public transit advertising during the holiday period. That same month, CCTV broadcast its Spring Festival Gala Xi'an Division segment Mountain River Poem Chang'an, 山河是长安, from Datang Everbright City, Datang Bu Ye Cheng, in partnership with ByteDance's Volcano Engine, 字节跳动火山引擎. An animated rendition of the poet Li Bai, derived from the animated film Chang'an 30,000 Miles, appeared atop the Big Wild Goose Pagoda through mobile phone augmented reality, interacting with live actor Zhang Ruoyun in what was described as the Spring Gala's first use of mobile phone AR in a physical outdoor setting. In April 2024, the Shaanxi Provincial Department of Culture and Tourism co-hosted the 2024 Digital Cultural Tourism Development Conference in Xi'an alongside Tencent Cloud, Tang Shunyun, Huashan Tourism Group, and the Huashan Digital Cultural Tourism Research Institute. Tencent Cloud signed cooperation agreements with both Huashan Tourism Group and the Research Institute at the event, which also showcased Chen Xiaoxiang and formally established digital human applications as a provincial cultural tourism priority. In May 2024, the Qin Culture Digital Light and Performing Arts Space Qim Era Moonlight Dream Return to Xianyang, 秦时明月梦回咸阳, opened at the Xianyang Ancient Ferry Covered Bridge, launched by Xianyang Cultural Development and Investment Company, 宣阳市文化发展投资有限公司 China Youth Travel United, a digital marketing company, 重庆路联科 and 小棕熊文路 The installation deploys 7 themed immersive spaces using 3-dimensional dynamic effects, 4K displays, AIGC technology, and real-time interactive tracking, along with China's first bridge-based mobile theater, immersive performance incorporating a 40-meter naked eye 3D visual sequence. In July 2024, the world's first officially licensed immersive VR experience of Emperor Qin Shi Huang's mausoleum, Terracotta Warriors, Secrets of the First Emperor's Mausoleum, opened in a purpose-built facility adjacent to the actual mausoleum site in Xi'an, jointly developed by Xi'an Hongwen / Shaanxi Cultural Investment Group, Weaver, and Vive Arts, HTC, and licensed by Emperor Qin Shi Huang's Mausoleum Site Museum. The 40-minute experience featured a 1-to-1 scale recreation of the underground palace validated through dozens of expert consultations over 2 years, with visitors using HTC Vive Focus Vision headsets guided by an AI archaeologist companion character across a journey spanning 50 years of archaeological discovery. In October 2024, a related digital Terracotta Warriors exhibition opened at the Chinese Ethnic Culture Exhibition Center in Beijing, featuring VR immersive experiences of the warriors' discovery and restoration, bringing Shaanxi's heritage to audiences outside the province through digital technology. The following month, in November 2024, the same VR experience debuted internationally at Lansdowne Center in Richmond, Metro Vancouver, co-presented by Shaanxi Cultural Investment Group and Weaver together with Vive Arts and Broadway Magic Wonders, becoming the first Terracotta Warriors Vive Art experience to be presented outside China. In January 2025, Tang Everbright City, jointly with iFlyTech, Xiaofei, and Tongcheng Travel, Tongcheng Luxing, officially launched AI virtual human Tang Xiaobao, as the venue's cultural tourism ambassador during the Spring Festival period. Built on iFlyTech's Spark cognitive large model and integrated into a digital culture commerce tourism WeChat mini program, Tang Xiaobao offered interactive Tang Dynasty themed tour guidance, responded to historical and dining queries, and enabled 13 AR interactive digital content experiences along the street, including segments themed around Dragon and Phoenix Dance, Goose Tower Poetry, and God of Wealth Blessings, within a business model combining AI virtual human interaction, AR digital touring, and scenic area privilege cards. Later in January 2025, on Chinese New Year's Day, Shaanxi TV, Shaanxi Weishi, broadcast the 2025 Silk Road Spring Gala, Silu Chengwan, in which China's most prominent virtual singer, Luo Tianyi, performed the opening song and dance number, Mountain Dancing Silver Snake, Shangwu Yinshe, alongside live artists using a combination of holographic and virtual reality technologies for a virtual real fusion performance. The same broadcast incorporated Terracotta Warrior digital animations and multiple acts employing AIGC, XR, and motion capture technology. In February 2025, the Shaanxi Provincial Culture and Tourism Department, Shanxi Shenwenhua He Luyouting, in conjunction with Shaanxi Cultural Investment Cloud Innovation Technology, Shanwen Touyun Chuangkeji, launched a range of AI innovation products for the province's cultural tourism sector, including digital human guide navigation, intelligent customer service, and AI travel photography with costume change functions. The Xi'an City Wall Scenic Area deployed an AI intelligent customer service system with interactive features during the Spring Festival Lantern Festival, and Shaanxi's Intelligent Tourism Product Recommendation Project was selected for the National Data Bureau's second batch of key demonstration scenarios. Also in February 2025, Xi'anchangba Cross-Border E-Commerce Industrial Park, Xi'anchangba Guajingdianshang Chanyeyuan, reported on outcomes from its deployment of AI digital human live streaming for cross-border commerce operations, with participating enterprises recording labor cost reductions of 80% and a 400% increase in nighttime traffic utilization, and with digital human applications concentrated across language translation, product image generation, live stream hosting, marketing strategy, and product analysis for international trade. In September 2025, the Shaanxi Province Science and Technology Association, Shaanxi Shaanxi, and the Shaanxi Provincial Science Popularization Education Center officially launched the AI Science Popularization Digital Human Xiaopu, at the 2025 National Science Popularization Month main venue event held at Northwest University in Xi'an. Operating through the Cloud Science Shaanxi, like that, Yunshan Kepu Shaanxi, WeChat mini program, Xiaopu functioned as a generative AI digital human capable of interactive dialogue on agricultural technology, aerospace science, and historical humanities content, incorporating daily science check-in features and a science co-creation community. At the launch ceremony, the Shaanxi Science Association signed collaborative agreements with the Chinese Botany Society, Northwest University, Avic Automation, and Shaanxi Jihu. That same month, Xi'an hosted the World Internet Conference Cultural Heritage Digitalization Forum, the first World Internet Conference event fully dedicated to cultural heritage digitalization. Drawing approximately 800 guests from more than 50 countries and 9 international organizations, and publishing a case collection featuring 40 selected examples from over 200 submissions across more than 20 countries. Xi'an Beilin Museum, Xi'an Beilin Bowoguan, demonstrated its AI Stone Revival project at the forum, enabling visitors to scan stone monuments and trigger holographic imagery as part of a wider exhibition covering ancient books, cultural relics, ancient architecture, and intangible cultural heritage from participants in China, the United States, Germany, Italy, South Korea, Kenya, and elsewhere. In October 2025, the Shaanxi Provincial Culture and Tourism Department channeled 39 million yuan in provincial tourism development funds into 42 digital culture tourism projects, representing a year-on-year increase of 23% in project count and 10.7% in funding. Among the deployments supported was the Silk Road Spiritual Realm, Xilu Lingjing, XR immersive space at Datang West Market, developed by Shaanxi Lingjing Tuopu Digital Technology Co., Shaanxi Lingjing Tuopu 数字科技有限公司, which featured digital human interaction experiences themed around Qin Dynasty Awakening, Secret of Qin Mausoleum, and Tang Palace Banquet, and received nearly 1,000 visitors daily during the National Day holiday period,